Welcome to Aura Career Launcher, a coaching institute for HSLC and NEET Standard 11 and 12. We are introducing HSLC crash course for 6 weeks starting from 9th January 2021. We provide live interactive session with our well-experienced teachers, examination technique, past HSLC questions papers analysis, well-structured study materials exclusively for the upcoming HSLC exam 2021, also online test to help prepare for HSLC exam from the comfort of home.
Difference aman laigadabani haibani sidi kona arithmetic progression gi definition da yawgiba dugumani sidai da dugi reciprocal oibagi wani sugumba common difference aman laigadabani haibani piramiba a n haib sequence gi reciprocal lawrakpudo adu ap da laigadabani haibani samsamna adumaina laitaragadi haiba hanogi piramiba a n haiba sequence to madu harmonic progression da laigani haibani man haise aduga harmonic progression gi assembly da koina hp haraga dum khangna gani masini definition haisi yam lai na khale hojik harmonic progression da laiba number khara sequence ama haitare ai example oina pige hen understand tawna gi damak 1 1 by 2 1 by 3 1 by 4 sumai sum jat khiba masi example ni aina pise sumaina laiba sequence ama masi harmonic progression da laiba sequence ni haigani karigino haibada according to the definition magi reciprocal se ap da laibra yengaseba magi reciprocal 1 gi reciprocal di 1 adum oire 1 by 2 gi reciprocal 2 oire 1 by 3 gina 3 1 by 4 gina 4 adumai sum chatle hai di sing si yengo second term dagi first term subtract tawro kaya tai 2 minus 1 1 tagani third term dagi amu second term subtract tawro siju 1 sumai tawdana fourth term haiba fourth dagi third term se minus tawro siju dum 1 sumaina sum chat phase d ko go tai d je kana no sadi common difference hai bani d se according to this sequence d is 1 sida piriba sequence ma tungina 1 tare sumain tawba condition satisfy tawrabani na ahan bada piramiba sigi sequence hai harmonic progression da leba sequence ni hai ganeba so it's very simple I hope you understand this sigi matungda harmonic min haibadu kaino haibadu yengse next is harmonic mean. Look at this. This is the definition of harmonic mean. I will read out. When three quantities are in HP, the middle one is called the harmonic mean, HM, between the other two. It's very simple. Three quantities, harmonic progression da laiba taragadi mayai thangbodo harmonic mean ko habani yam chambani sida kaisu thodokna ludabra khale three quantities harmonic progression da lairagadi mayai thangbodo harmonic mean kawe yam chammi khoigi arithmetic mean geometric mean tawgibo chamani adu middle term do khoina dum arithmetic mean geometric mean adamai kawge do maina sidai su harmonic mean kawe hai khoigi example ngasai aina pige ba example 1 1 by 2 1 by 3 pi bodo da ahum ji khata lawrasi si harmonic progression da laiba number ngakani aduna sigi mayai da laiba 1 by 2 se harmonic mean ni masi hm between the other two haibadi atopa matai thangiba ani sigi marakta haibani between the other two number ahum gi manungda mayai thangudu lothokradi ani le hore ani dugi marakta laiba harmonic mean haragadi mayai da laiba numbers ni haibani masigi harmonic mean puthokpagi formula se sida laire harmonic mean between a and b is given by a ga b ga si number ani haktani two non-zero numbers number ani haktani sigi number ani se gi marakta akoina harmonic mean puthoke haragadi masigi formula se pansan gani sigi formula se kamain tawdana establish tawraino haibadu mati amatang ulamge yam laiba mongda koi puthok se yam laina ai haje hot ke ngo se kamaina taraino haibadu a ga b ga se marakta harmonic mean puthoona question je hangammeba aduragadi kamai puthokada ge haibadu yam tena ho se haje let a x b be a harmonic progression si harmonic progression da laiba sequence amani lawraseba adugadi x ya harmonic mean oidoineba aduragadi magi reciprocal se ap da lairaneba therefore 1 by a 1 by x 1 by b are in ap akoina definition da tamgibado definition da hai harmonic progression da lei ge haragadi adugi an hariba sequence tigi reciprocal 1 by an je ap da lei gadabani haibani aduna surely this numbers will be in ap da leiragadi kadawni common difference ma lairani therefore amu irase second term dagi first term subtract tawba sumaina adagi third term dagi second term se amuk subtract tawba ani se managadabane. This is according to the definition of arithmetic progression. aduragadi akoina pamedi karino akoidi x puthokpasini x idi harmonic mean neba akoi harmonic mean kamai puthokadage haiba sidaida formula budi pithokre sigi formula je kamai establish tawgodoino haibaduni pamise.
For more details, scan the QR code. You can visit our website www.auracareerlauncher.com for registration. Download our app Aura EduPad or contact us to our WhatsApp number 6009 063 622 or 6009 039 770. Well, we have started our registration, so what are you waiting for? Join now.